See this, guys? Look. I blamed it on the birds. And I do believe a bird was eating this one. Yes, I believe it's the birds that was eating this one. But we are going to move over a little. And I'm going to show you another tomato, which leads me not to believe that the birds are not the culprit for all of my tomato damage. Let's just look at this one. Get a close look, guys. I'm trying to get you closer. Let's get closer down here. Look at that. That's not a bird. That is not a bird at all. Those are ants. So I can't blame all of my tomato damage on the birds. No. These little pesky ants. Look, they're all over. They're eating to the inside. And I was about to blame it on the birds again. But nope. All of my tomato damage, I can't contribute to the birds. But these pesky ants. Yes, these pesky ants.